goodbye gluten where?
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. Tonight we are at Bangkok Thai restaurant on the University District in Spokane, Washington. So let's go see what's for dinner. So we're starting off with some fresh rolls. These are wrapped in rice paper. They have lettuce and carrot. They usually hide some basil in there, some bean sprouts, and then we have a peanut sauce here with it. So that's really good. It's very sweet, not angry, very spicy.
I mean, it looks so pretty, it's almost a shame to actually dip it in there. The lettuce is crisp, noodles are perfect, carrots are awesome, shrimp was perfectly done. That's a one good fresh roll.
I have the masamang curry. It has potatoes and onion and chicken, pretty simple. I'll have it with rice. I can get a bite here. I love curry. It's so good. And we have a bowl of rice here. And what do you have, Greg?
So basically I got, it was like pad Q something. I can't remember what it was called, but it's basically this. There's a Thai version of sweet and sour chicken. I got mine a spice level of about a 3 from 3 to 5.
Yeah, so he did that so he doesn't have to share.
It's got peppers. It's actually got tomato, which is the first time I've ever seen in pad Thai, or sweet and sour chicken. But it's not actually Chinese. It's Asian or Southeast Asian. It's got cucumbers.
You realize that was zucchini.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the first zucchini I actually liked. So kudos to the chef on this place. Oh my God, this is really, really good.
Okay, remember what we say here at Goodbye Gluten.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great taste and great food.
Had a great night.